Labisa means to wear. Labisa, to wear. Shariba, to drink. Shariba, to drink. La'iba, to play. Nama, to sleep. Dhahika, to laugh. Basama, to smile. Qatafa, to pluck. Nasiya, to forget. Salaha, to correct. Farra, to harm. Nasara, to help. Shamma, to smell. Sharrafa, to honor. Khataba, to lecture. Dhahaba, to go. Akala, to eat. Kataba, to write. Jalasa, to sit. Nazara, to see. Amila, to do. Sami'a, to hear. Fataha, to open. Rafa'a, to raise. Arafa, to know. Talaba, to seek. Ijtama'a, to gather. Family. Al-a'ilatu. Al-a'ilatu. Father. Ab, father. Mother. Ibn, son. Bintun, daughter. Zawjun, husband. Zawjatun, wife. Akhun, brother. Ukhtun, sister. Tiflun, child. Jaddun, jadda, grandfather. Khal, uncle. Khala, aunt. Radhi, baby. Radhi means baby. Shabah, young lady. Anis, bachelor. Aris, bridegroom. Arus, bride. Armalah, widow. Armalah, widow. Sihar, son-in-law. Kinatun, daughter-in-law. Hafidun, grandson. Imratun, woman. Jawari, girl. As-Sayyid, Mr. As-Sayyida, Mrs. Mistress. Anisa, Miss. Ajza'ul Jism, parts of body, the parts of body. Jaza'ul Jism. Ajza'ul Jism, Jism, body. Ra'sun, head. Wajhun, face. Sha'r, hair. Aynun, eye. Anfun, nose. Udhunun, ear. Sinnun, teeth. Unuqun, neck. Katifun, shoulder. Khaddudun, cheek. Yadun, hand. Kafun, palm. Isba'un, finger. Famun, mouth. Lisanun, tongue. Dhaqanun, chin. Dhira'un, arm. Sadrun, chest. Qalbun, heart. Ma'idatun, stomach. Rijulun, leg. Qadamun, foot. Jildun, skin. Damun, blood. Rukbatun, knee.